Oh, hey! So, today we're going to be playing The Sims 4 because I just got it and I want to make a series out of it, but I keep forgetting to record, so I'm like really far along. But I'll try to explain to you all that I can. So, yeah. Also, you know who you are. You better be watching this, or I swear to God, I'm coming up to, and I'm going to beat your ass. Okay, now that we're good, we're gonna start the game. I think I'm still recording. If not, oops, oh well, we're just gonna have this short ass video with me explaining the stuff in the description and how I'm gonna have to get better recording software. Oh, my keyboard is so dirty. I don't even know how it got this dirty. I just got this computer. Yeah, I also got like the PEX expansion. This whatever. Gotta get cozy. This is a really bad house, but like I put my time and worth into this house and I really love it, so you better not say mean things. Oh man, that was really loud. I feel high. Am I high? I think I'm dying. I like Hazbin Hotel. Do you like it? Okay. Why are you so tense? Go watch TV or something, you stupid bitch. Oh, first you gotta go to sleep. Oh, that's right. I didn't replace your bed yet, sorry. So yeah, they all just like aged up. And they have like a new baby in the house, which is upstairs. Where the fuck is the baby? Oh yeah, the baby's a toddler now. Sorry. I'm just so quirky. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here. I want to see if I can. No, that's right. I can't change the color once I've already bought it, so I'm just gonna duplicate it and make it into another color, like that, since it has the Mad Race Carboy on it. So no, I didn't mean to. I got so much stuff today. This is still awesome. I keep it. Lamps. So all three of them bad boys. Poop. And yeah. Alright, anyway, I can sell this crib too because the baby's not a baby anymore. There's the toddler thing, whatever you call it. Oh, yeah, he needs like a potty and stuff. It's like, OMG, I cannot believe I'm just forgetting these things. Like, OMG, like, Let's put it next to his bed so he can always know that he's a failure at using the restroom. But no. Yeah. I'm gonna make a bath. Like, I want to make a bathroom there, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. So I guess I'll just do it now. Ooh, let's make it green. It's elegant. Showers and baths. I'm getting the baths, bitch. Yes. Let's see. Wait, is there any green options? I like to have my things match. Like some people I know. I really don't know anyone who doesn't like their things to match. Well, yeah, there is one person, but that's just because he's senile and stuff, yeah. But anyway. I'll probably add a computer too, because it just looks so bland without a computer there. Motherfucker. There. There. And yeah, I want to rename our property. Yep, that's its name. And oh yeah, that's right, I gotta replace his bed. Sorry, I just got so off track. Alright. Let's get him the click it on bed, okay. But let's get him the yeah, let's get him the classic anti-goblin bed. This room is hardly a room. It's kind of just like a add-on. I don't know. But yeah. Get that rug back in place. Anyway. You know what? I think I'm gonna add just a chair because his room is so bland. So yeah. And I'm gonna no. Stop glitching out! Okay, and I'm going to move this here. Put the lamp here. I'm an extraordinary decorator, as y'all can see. I'm very great at decorating. If this is not recording, I'm just going to seem stupid, like I'm talking to myself. Well, now, let's see, okay. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Go back to live mode. Now, go to bed. Since you're sleepy and shit. Are you late for work, though? Are you? Oh, and I also need you to give yourself a hard look in the mirror because you're disgusting. Anyway, yeah, I'm just... Oh my, I'm so itchy right here for some reason. Hurry up. Where the heck are you? Wait, no. Oh, yeah. I probably should add a mirror in his room so he can have a hard look at himself on his own. Yep. I like this mirror a lot. Oh, and it's a kid's mirror too, so that's a plus. And I'm gonna move this up here because I like things to be center. There you go. Oops. And I okay. Now you can take a hard look at yourself in peace. This is like this is Naraya's boyfriend. Let me go get her so she can get her BF. Yeah, we can't be like really romantic to him because he's still a child and stuff, but love is just an age. Oh no, please don't come at me, Kappa. No. What I meant to say was, I'm gonna age him up so they can go back to dating. But so yeah, let's change his horrible clothes. Oh, I should probably introduce you to all the characters. This is the firstborn child, Naraya Smith. I like her. She's just firstborn, and she's gonna carry on the legacy with Amir over there. That I have to age up because he's still a teen, and that's just not it. Okay, so she wants to be a painter extraordinaire, and she's a muser, and a geek, and a loner, and a perfectionist. This is the dog Piccolo, the dog we adopted. Piccolo, oh my god, he's fat. He's fat now. Oh Lord. He's so cute. And here's Mocha, the dog that we made. They're like in love and stuff, but Piccolo was neutered, so they can't have puppies, but that'll change next time. Jason. Thick boy Jason, that's what I like to call him. Naraya. They're the same age. I tried to age up Naraya to an adult because she's a young adult now, but it won't allow me to unless she naturally ages up. So now her and her daughter are the same age, but I'm just gonna ignore that. So yeah, I forgot about their traits. Piccolo is loyal, a troublemaker, and hairy. And Mocha is loyal, friendly, and a sleuth. Jason, his aspiration is to find the one or the soulmate. He's alluring, a foodie, family-oriented, and romantic. And she wants a successful lineage. So that makes her domestic, neat, romantic, and a bookworm. Yeah, she's my thick queen. She's my melanin queen. Oh, I'm disgusting. And anyway, this is Tahana, the second child. She ain't as thick as her sister. That's because she's only a teenager right now. I don't know how I feel about that fishnet. I'm just gonna change that to some stocking because that fishnet ain't doing it for me, sis. It just ain't. Yeah, I think that will work. Let's see if I can change her shirt color to something more like pink. There we go. That's cute. You're cute, girl. So yeah, she wants to be a freelance botanist. She wants to be a collector. No, cause she is a collector, creative, and self-assured. This is the little boy Jackson. Sorry for being so loud. I even hurt my ear. He wants to be an artistic prodigy, and he's a goofball. And his toddler trait was silly, so I thought he should be a goofball because that would fit him. And we're gonna have to change your outfit, sweetie, because the way you looking now just ain't it. It ain't it. You got like female hair. But I'm really loving these like little baby coils. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. I'm gonna have to get better at this. So, Preppy Puppy, that's warm and cold, with Sun, and warm and fuzzies. I'm not liking none of them. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get this LGBTQ plus shirt. Nah, I probably shouldn't, but this avocado shirt. She looks broken. Anyway. Okay, and no, why do you give the child cargo pants? Oh, they're so cute. Make them blue and match. Cause we like to match around here, folks. We like to match around here. No, because I'm going to do my own thing. And no one can tell me what to do. I think I'm just getting a feeling. And just a feeling. But I know gray looks just absolutely amazing. And the jeans. The blue jeans. Let's do the black jeans this time. Okay, that's too cute. I'm not changing it. Why is his party wear like that, though? Not tardy.